Sit down. Sit down. Sit down in the f***ing car.
The woman appeared confused and unsteady. Officers asked if she needed fire rescue, and she said yes, but she still would not clearly explain what happened. Other officers described her as passed out, inebriated, and unable to give useful answers.
Do you need fire rescue? She won't say anything.
Passed out, feet hanging out the window with the car hazard lights on.
The baby screamed in the back seat.
He asked where she had come from and where she lived. Her answers went nowhere. Sometimes she said she did not know. Other times she snapped back at officers. The more they asked, the more it looked like this was not just a tired driver pulled over on the shoulder.
Where did you say you were before here?
I ain't saying nothing.
Where are you coming back from?
I ain't coming back from nothing.
Well, you're driving somewhere.
While officers waited for the right agency and tried to keep the baby safe, she became more confrontational. At one point, she tried to close the car door, but officers said the door had to stay open. That moment pushed the stop closer to a physical arrest.
I promise you're not closing this door. You're not closing this door.
Relax, you're gonna go in handcuffs.
Well, okay,
Sit down,
put
sit
me
down.
in handcuffs.
Officers still tried to solve the biggest problem first, the baby. They asked for a family member, a phone, any number they could call, but the mother could barely help them. The child was safe for the moment, but police still needed a responsible adult to take custody.